Hey, it's your boy Rich B out here in Bogota, Colombia, checking out the scene. It's been pretty warm out here for the past week or so. Warmer than I usually expected Bogota to be. So I don't know if that's just how the seasons are here. So the weather does change a lot. Sometimes during the day it's like warm. During the day it's warm and you can just wear like a t-shirt or something. During the night, after 5, the weather could change on you, or it could start raining during the day or whatever. So it's like a kaleidoscope. You can really set trick weather. You can kind of get sick. So wearing shorts 1 minute, jacket 1 minute. So Bogota is just that ever-changing weather like this. But usually it's kind of cool every time I visit it, but this is the best weather that I've experienced so far here in Bogota. But again, it's kind of cooling down right now. That's why I got my jacket on. But I'm just gonna go walk around the city a little bit. Perhaps I'll show you some things, all right? Keep it locked. All right, so here's a little view of the city. People be sleeping on Bogota thinking it has nothing to offer. This is a metropolis. You can find anything you want out here in Bogota. It's a groove out here. It's a pocket out here for everybody in Bogota. The apartment buildings up there. See the skies, kind of cloudy. Yeah, but like I was saying, yeah, Bogota, it has a vibe for everybody. You just got to find your vibe. It's like 8 million people here, 8 to 10 million people. You can find everybody in every type of interest level, whatever you want out here, you can find out here in Bogota. It's just not marketed as a tourist hotspot. So a lot of people sleep on it. But I like it. The only thing I don't really too much care for is the weather. But as far as a lot of activities, things like that, hey, it got just as much as a lot of the other cities. Yeah, you know, one thing I've noticed out here in Bogota that I haven't even found in some of the other larger cities like Medellin is that the traffic, the cars, they respect pedestrians. So I really like that. They respect pedestrians out here. So just moving off this track. It's a big track. Like, look here. But yeah, I was saying, one thing I like out here in Bogota that I haven't even seen in some of the other larger cities like Medellin and everything is that the cars yield for you. The cars yield for me and they stop, let you walk across and everything. So I really like that, you know what I'm saying? I really appreciate that. I'm just watching my back, you know. Just walking down the street. This seems like a pretty good area. But yeah, I like that they yield, cars yield and respect the pedestrians from what I've seen and experienced. So, right now I'm going to look for this mall. It's close nearby, Santa Fe Mall. I heard it's a nice mall, so I'll keep you posted. I think all I have to do is follow that bridge, go up on that bridge over there to get to Santa Fe Mall. Bridge, it goes up there. I'm at this little strip mall over here I came upon, and I heard you just go on that bridge and you'll be at Santa Fe Mall. So yeah, let's see if we can find Santa Fe Mall. Walk a little bit. Okay, so look like we're coming up on Santa Fe Mall out here. See there? There it is, coming up on the distance. There it is, there it is. Going on around, going on around. Yeah, 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 you see that? All right, so we headed there. I'll show you the street a little bit. That's the traffic. Hey, you see, that's the Transmillennial bus right there. Yeah, they got long buses out here. Although Bogota can be a nice city, you gotta watch your back out here. Don't sleep on it. Get hurt, robbed, everything, so. Yeah, we coming up on Santa Fe Mall like I promised you. Check this out. They get that sign, Santa Fe. Yeah, I heard this was a nice mall. We're gonna go check it out. I know sometimes they tripping about you filming in the mall, so I'll try to get any footage I can, okay? All right, so we inside. Just like I said, I gotta kind of stay low key. They don't like you filming in here. Up these stairs, look like you got about 3 or 4 floors in here. Get to the top. It's a jardín gastronómico. Look like that's the eating quarters. Jardín gastronómico. Let's continue walking up these stairs, all right? Coming up on Kentucky Fried Chicken, look like they got a special. I guess this is the food court right here.